Hi everybody and welcome back to Cozy Corner Crafts, and today we're going to be doing our first of 2 Easter crafts. So in your kit you are going to get this cute little bunny and a little chick. So our very nice volunteer, because they were so tiny, put the nose on for the rabbit and the beak on for the chick. So what you're going to do is, I don't know if you can see, there's a circle there, and you are going to take the circle out because in your craft kit you are going to get a giant pom-pom. So what you can do is push it in. So that is the body of the rabbit. Then on the chick, same thing, and you have a giant yellow pom-pom. So now also in your kit is how to make the chick and the bunny. So you're going to get one of these. So now we're going to find the wings and the feet for the chick. And so you are going to get this lovely orange piece of foam, and you are going to gently take out a wing and the other wing. And also on that still piece of orange foam is going to be the feet for the chick. So there's one, and then there's 2. So you can follow the map that you've got, and we're going to put the wings on and the feet on for the chick. So you're going to have to use some glue, okay? So I'll be right back. Okay, so now I took the pom-pom out, and I'm going to put the feet on one foot and the other one, and I put some glue on before. Okay, then that's the second foot, and now we're going to put the upside down heart. So there's the one wing, and there is the other wing. And then what we can do is we can pop in our pom-pom again. Oh, little foot doesn't want to stay on. So there, it's almost finished. And now what we need is, oops, fell off. We might need a little bit more glue. Okay, so now what we have also are these little tiny black square that has little eyes in it. So we're going to take the one eye, we're going to take the smaller one for the bunny, for the chick, and we're going to put the one eye on, and we're going to put the other one on. Oops. So there is the chick. So now we're going to do the rabbit. So since we have the black out, we're going to put on the 2 eyes for the bunny. Okay, so again, so like I said, it has 4. So we're going to put those on for the bunny. Okay, so there's the one eye, and there's the 2 eyes. So now the bunny has a pink square, and this one actually looks like it can be glued, or it has sticky. So this one is for the one ear. Oops, I almost put it on upside down. So then you have the one for the one side, and it's a kind of funny shape for the second one. It's not a complete ear, but goes like this. Now also, you're going to get these ones. It's a square white, and it is the bunny's feet. So now with the bunny feet, what you're going to do is you have some more pink stickers on here. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the very sticky ones, and you're going to put it on the bottom. And then there's 4 little tiny pink dots that are sticky, and you are going to put them on the top of your foot. So I'm going to stop for a second and show you what it looks like when they're finished. So now I have 2 bunny feet. And so where do you think they go on the bunny? Do they go up here? Do they go on the nose? Or do they go on the feet? So I already put some glue on them. So I might have to put a little bit more glue on. You guys might want to use some white glue, okay? So that's the one foot, and there is the second one. So here is your Easter bunny and your Easter chick. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this one, and we'll see you next time. Cozy Corner Crafts, and we'd love to see your bunnies when they're done, and if you're going to name your bunnies and your chicks. Okay, we'll talk to you soon. Oh, and I forgot. And in each craft kit, you're going to get some foam stickers. And remember, ask Mom and Dad before you put the stickers someplace to make sure it's okay that you do that. Okay, and we'll see you next time. Cozy Corner Stories Crafts. Bye.